Welcome to Tastecraft Cookbook. Summer's almost over and we haven't made a single grilled recipe yet. Let's fix that. Today we're making chicken wings in a spiced honey glaze. You'll need 1.5 kilograms of chicken wings, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 4 cloves of garlic and the same amount of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of starch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. In a bowl, combine the grated garlic and ginger. Add soy sauce, honey, ketchup, oil and vinegar. Whisk until smooth. Pour the marinade over the wings and mix thoroughly. Let them sit for a couple of hours at room temperature or overnight in the fridge. Arrange the marinated wings on a parchment-lined baking sheet. A grill and coals would be even better, of course, but we're going with the oven this time. Leave space between the pieces so they roast evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the glaze. In a small saucepan, heat the leftover marinade with the dissolved starch, stirring constantly until thickened. After 15 minutes, flip the wings and bake for another 5 minutes at the same temperature. Then brush them with the glaze and leave in the turned-off oven for another 15 minutes to let the surface dry slightly. The thick, sticky glaze perfectly complements the juicy meat. A simple and impressive dish for home dinners or outdoor picnics.